Professor Insight wants to know if the representation shown on her whiteboard is that of an element, compound, or mixture. Zell mentioned that it is a compound because the atoms are joined together. Bert stated that it is an element because, though the atoms are joined together, it is the same type of atom. Myra said that it is both an element and a compound since it is one type of atom, but they are joined together. Who do you agree with and why? Is there anything you could change about the image to cause your answer to change? From a previous video, you would have learned that atoms are the smallest particles of matter. Elements, however, are substances made up of only one type of atom. For example, an element of carbon consists only of carbon atoms. An element of magnesium consists only of magnesium atoms. Compounds are substances consisting of the chemical combination of different elements. The atoms from each element are chemically combined. For example, water is a compound consisting of the chemical combination of the elements hydrogen and oxygen. Sodium chloride is a compound consisting of the chemical combination of the elements sodium and chlorine. Mixtures are different substances physically combined. This means they are not joined together since they are not chemically combined. You can have a mixture of two different elements, for example, sulfur and iron filings. You can also have a mixture of two different compounds, for example, sodium chloride and water. You can even have a mixture of an element and a compound, for example, air. Now back to the classroom. Who answered Professor Insight correctly? Zell, Bert, or Myra? Looking back at the representation, we can see that two atoms are chemically combined throughout. However, they are the same type of atoms, and as such, the substance represented is that of an element. For it to have been a compound, the atoms combined would have to be from different elements. Also, a substance cannot be both an element and a compound at the same time. Therefore, Bert answered Professor Insight correctly. If the representation was changed to include a different element, or even a compound, it would become a mixture. If it was changed to allow one of the atoms combined to look different from the other, it would be a compound. Now that you understand elements, compounds, and mixtures on a particle level, you can classify any substance you encounter in chemistry. For more insight from Sci Insight, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned until next time.